Meaning of geometrically.
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 Geometrically. Geometrically refers to something related to geometry, which is a branch of mathematics that deals with the study of shapes, sizes, and positions of objects in space. Geometric concepts and principles involve dimensions, angles, areas, volumes, and coordinates. Geometric methods are used to solve problems in many fields, including physics, engineering, architecture, and art. By using geometric figures, patterns, and transformations, we can represent and visualize real-world phenomena, create aesthetic designs, and analyze data. In short, geometry provides a powerful tool for understanding and modeling the physical world in a precise and elegant way.